If the flange is installed on the outer side of the pipe, we adjust technique and materials to achieve a secure, watertight seal. Start by assessing the offset distance from the pipe center to the flange face and measure the pipe outer diameter so you can choose the right adjustable flange or ring. Use a twist and set flange that has an inner collar or tabs, which can be rotated to clamp against the pipe outer surface. These let you centralize the toilet while gripping outside mounted pipe edges. Always install a durable rubber compression ring or gasket between the flange and the bowl to accommodate irregularities and prevent leaks. Press the ring firmly and check for any folds that would compromise the seal. For larger gaps, use an extended wax ring or a wax ring with a polymer horn to bridge the distance from the bowl outlet to the pipe opening. Warm the wax slightly if cold so it conforms better when compressed. If the floor height differs or the flange sits too low, add a flange spacer or stackable ring system beneath the flange until the flange face is flush with the finished floor, then secure with corrosion-resistant screws. Finally, tighten bolts evenly and test by rocking the toilet gently and running water to confirm no seepage. Retorque after 1 to 2 days of settling. Common problems include uneven sealing where the outer flange cannot fully center the bowl, and that usually comes from an improperly sized ring. So remeasure and use a horned wax ring sized for the offset. Another frequent issue is a loose compression gasket that shifts during bowl set down, solved by holding the gasket in place with a small bead of plumber, approved adhesive, or by temporarily taping it until the bowl is fully seated. A third concern is floor movement or flange instability, when the flange sits on top of an uneven subfloor, and the fix is to add a rigid spacer plate under the flange or use stainless steel reinforcement and then resecure the flange to structural framing to prevent future rocking. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for flange adjustments and toilet replacements, and we also help contractors find work by listing projects that match their skills. We offer a discussion community where we and other users share real-world tips, ask questions, and compare materials and installation approaches.